Step number 2 tutorial, new PoliTo profile. Hey, I'm back. Let's discover together what you need to do. Enter your apply page. Click on enrollment and then complete your enrollment in this degree program. In the temporary address you will have to input your long-term address in Torino. If you do not have it, you can leave the one in your country. Accept all the declarations and click on next. In this case you have to pay the external taxes. Choose the option immediate payment. Click on pay to complete the procedure. Pay attention. No other payment methods other than credit cards are allowed. The payment cannot be done at a later stage. The amount of €161 includes the regional fee for the right to university study, the accident insurance premium, the tax stamp. Now you have created your new PoliTo profile and you have received the credentials for accessing it. This is the first part of the procedure and, until your arrival at PoliTo, the status of your career will be enrollment to be completed. The instructions on how to switch it to active will be included in step number 4 and will be provided in due time. Fiscal code. Since you might not have the official document to finalize the step number 2 procedure yet, it has already been temporarily auto-generated by our system. This won't exempt you from applying for the official document, which is mandatory for your stay in Italy. For more information check the PoliTo website in the fiscal code section. And now what? Where can I find my acceptance letter? You have to wait 24 hours after the creation of your PoliTo profile. You have to log in from the PoliTo website. Your username is your new PoliTo email address which has this format. The S+ matriculation number is the one you have just created. For the first login, your password is the one you just created as well. Then you will have to change it. Download your acceptance letter in your PoliTo profile, career, incoming students documents. Remember that after having downloaded your acceptance letter you need to take step number 3. Don't worry, there will be another tutorial for the step number 3 procedure. You can find it in your new PoliTo profile, career, incoming students, get ready for PoliTo. You are almost done. Only if you are a non-European citizen, proceed also with step visa. For information on step visa you can check the guidelines in the Get Ready for PoliTo section. That's all for now. See you soon with another tutorial.